I told you that most of your photos you've taken in your life will probably disappear, would you believe me? Well, here's the thing. A survey that was done by Western Digital found that 40% of desktop owners have experienced data loss from a device crash. And 41% of those people lost photographs in the process. Gone forever. Think about it. We shoot thousands of images every year. And on average, people print about only 2% of what's on their phone. 2%. That means in this example, 98% of your work sits on a hard drive or a cloud account that you are one password reset, one corrupt drive, one accident away from losing. I've been saying this for years now. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, print your work. And today, well, I want to give you the reasons why. Hey everyone, if you're new here, I am Alex and welcome to Shoot Happens. This is where I break down photography in plain, simple English so you can actually improve. So let's start off with the number one reason why you want to print your work. Printing completes the creative process. When you take a photo, you make a creative decision. Composition, lighting, timing, all of that goes into the moment that you press the shutter. But here's what most photographers miss. The image isn't finished until someone sees it in the final form. A print on a wall, a canvas in a client's home, a metal piece in a gallery. This is the full expression of your vision. It's the difference between writing a song and never playing it for anyone. Printing forces you to commit to your best work. It changes, think about how you shoot, how you edit, and how seriously you take your own photography. Reason number two why you want to print your photos. Physical photos strengthen your memory. And this one's actually backed by research. Studies show that interacting with a physical photo creates stronger neural connections than looking at the same image on your screen. Your brain processes the weight of the frame, the texture of the surface, the space it occupies in your home. All of that fuses with the visual information and makes a memory more vivid and longer lasting. A Epson-funded study even found that not having tangible printouts of photos could be harming our ability to remember. So if you want to hold on to a memory, it's simple. Print it. All right, reason number three why you want to print your photos. Printed photos build confidence and connection. Back in 1975, a researcher at Tulane University ran a study with a group of fourth graders over a period of 5 weeks. Now, what the kids did is they created self-portraits using Polaroid cameras and built scrapbooks of their printed photos. By the end of the study, those children, okay, this is pretty interesting right here. Those children showed a 37% increase in self-esteem related behaviors. Think about that. 37%. And multiple studies since then have showed that children who grew up in homes displaying family photographs develop a stronger sense of belonging. And it works for adults as well. Looking at your printed photos of the people that you love activates brain regions tied to feelings and safety and social connection. Your photos, they have power, but only if people see them. Now, let's talk about reason number four to print out your photos. It protects your legacy. 44% of British adults surveyed said they lost a digital photo. Think about that. Nearly half of the population has had a memory vanish because they trusted a device to keep it safe. You know, hard drives do fail. Phones get stolen. Cloud services shut down. A quality print on a metal or canvas lasts for decades. A Chromalex HD metal print, for example, has been independently tested by Wilhelm Imaging Research and rated to resist fading for over 65 years. It's waterproof, it's scratch resistant, and it doesn't need a battery or better yet, a subscription. Your legacy deserves something more permanent than a folder on your desktop. Reason number five, why you should have your print or why you should print your photos. It changes how you value your own work. Now, this is one that doesn't get talked about enough. When you print a photo, you hang it on a wall, something shifts. You stop treating your images like disposable files. You start seeing yourself as someone who creates work worth preserving. And that mindset change affects everything. Your editing gets tighter, your compositions get stronger, and you become more intentional when you're behind the camera. Printing is the feedback loop that raises the bar on your entire photography. And this is where Shiny Prints come in. Today's sponsor of this video, I personally reviewed a lot of prints over the years: canvas, acrylic, metal, glass, wood. And I will tell you one thing, not all prints are created equal. Shiny Prints consistently produces some of the best, absolute best metal prints that I have tested. They print exclusively on Chromolux HD aluminum using Epson F-Series dye sublimation printers with Epson OEM inks. Now, this matters because, well, most labs cut corners with converted printers in third-party inks. Shiny Prints, they do not. The detail, the color accuracy, the depth that you get from their HD metal prints rather, is what makes the image look alive. And that is the difference between a photo sitting on a hard drive and a photo that feels like a finished piece of work. And another thing I want to point out here, they absolutely nail presentation every single time. From the moment that it shows up, the packaging, the build quality, the mounting, everything, there's so much continuity, feels premium, which really matters, especially if you're printing for your home, a client, or you're selling your work, because at the end of the day, a professional photo deserves a professional presentation. So if you want to check them out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link down below to Shiny Prints, and I would heavily recommend go take a look there. All right, before I let you go here, let me leave you with this. 43% of Gen Z, now these are people, this was a study that was done in 2025. These are 18 to 27-year-old people here, regularly print their photos. The generation that grew up fully digital is choosing physical prints. I mean, they get it. There is something irreplaceable about holding your work in your hands or walking past it and seeing it on the wall every single day. So pick your favorite image, the one that makes you feel something, and print it. Friends, I promise you, it will change the way that you see your own photography. And if you value this video, because friends, that's all I got on this one here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button so more people, you hold the YouTube algorithm, the more people that like this video, they're going to send it and share it with more people. And we really appreciate that. That person watching it is going to appreciate it. And we thank you for that in advance. But friends, heck, that's all I got here for you today. As always, it's a pleasure. I know there's a lot of things that could be occupying your time, and you've just spent a few minutes here with me. So I'm grateful, and I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to shut the cameras off. So I will see you in the next video.